Now we are going to talk about business model. A business model is how a company's strategy and operating approaches will create value for the customer, while at the same time generate ample revenues to cover costs and realize a profit. We are talking about three different company business models, which are Digi, Maxis, and Axiata. So let's talk about Digi first. Digi's purpose is connecting you to what matters most. It focuses on providing connectivity to Malaysians across the country in a safe, reliable, and efficient manner, which is exactly what customers expect from Digi. Digi has three strategies in achieving their purpose. The first is delivering growth through relevant customer offerings that drive the continued demand for connectivity and digital service. The second is the way it runs its network, engage customers across touchpoints, and instill a culture of innovation and agility. While the third is raising the standard for responsible business through managing its value chain, processing its customer data, environmental impact, and promoting safe internet usage and digital inclusion. For Maxis Berhad, its purpose is always be ahead. Maxis want to be the leading converged solutions company in Malaysia. To achieve this purpose, it comes up with three strategies. The first is Maxis for All. It focuses on strengthening its leadership in its core business and become a leader in consumer solutions. The second strategy is to achieve UPE, which is differentiated and digital unmatched personalized experience. It expands its customer touchpoints through unmatched digital personalized experience, channel reach, capability, and productivity. The last strategy is Maxis Way, which is to become world-class effective and efficient organization. It strengthens its culture, talent, and capabilities by recruiting right talent, build right capabilities, and strengthening the working culture.